Why did you make this alien?
Because my teacher said, then she said make a alien, then write 6 sentences, but I make the leg in 1, and there are 5 left now.
So what did you write?
I write it is an alien. It has 2 eyes. It has 1 mouth. It has 2.
You know the spellings of antenna.
What?
You know the spellings of antenna.
Antenna.
So what are these called? So what are you writing?
Oops. I didn't see my mistake.
You're right. It has 2 legs.
Has 2.
It's half.
It have. It is. Have 2 ears.
Where are the ears, may I ask?
Ears.
No.
Ears.
Sarah, what are these?
Ears.
क्या? Ears or antenna?
Antenna.
Why is he saying ears?
It is ear antenna both.
नहीं antennas देखो. It has.
It has 2. It has. You are in grade 5 and you don't know what are we speaking.
It has 2 antenna. I don't know antennas.
So you can write it has 2 legs. It has 2 legs and then
Legs.
have.
ग्रामर तो बहुत वीक है. ये तो बेसिक चीज़ है.